Hello, my name is Henry. I learned meditation in the Himalayas, and I've spent the last 8 years helping people to establish a daily meditation practice. Today's session is on, can mindfulness help with chronic pain during meditation? Yes, mindfulness practices teach you to observe pain without emotional reactivity, which can reduce the perceived intensity of discomfort. Loving kindness meditations and self-compassion techniques also help you respond to pain more gently, promoting relaxation and reducing stress. Chronic pain can be quite an ordeal for those who experience it. Sometimes there is some relief for this pain. Sometimes there is very little relief for this pain, and sometimes there is no relief for this pain. When it comes to the physical aspects of pain, I can't say for sure whether or not meditation has a direct impact. I can say from experience, the impact on meditation from the nervous system or on the nervous system has been proven scientifically. So with this in mind, meditation in practice and in regular practice can reduce chronic pain to a degree, I would imagine, at the very least. When it comes to the mental and emotional aspects of chronic pain, I am very confident of the benefits of meditation on these. Having the ability to manage your reactions mentally and emotionally is great for dealing with any type of struggle or any type of issue that we may have that leads to negative thought processes or leads to thoughts of despair or depression or stress. So meditating, whether directly or indirectly, when it comes to emotional or mental strain, when it comes to dealing with chronic pain or any long-standing issues, meditation can help because it allows you to step aside from whatever that issue that you are having is to get some perspective. Some would say you cannot see the forest for the trees. So getting a bird's eye view of the forest instead of standing in the middle of it, which would give you a better picture of the landscape. Also, when it comes to perception of intensity or discomfort, I can say when it comes to physical pain, my ability to be able to withstand it has improved with meditation. I don't know if meditation makes you physically stronger in any way, but it does make you more mentally and emotionally resilient. So you are less affected by things that happen to you or things that will happen to you. So keeping that in mind and promoting relaxation and reduce stress. These things go hand in hand with a regular meditation practice. Let's bring our awareness to the lower legs. Relax the lower legs. Relax the upper legs. Now let's bring our awareness to the breath at the tips of the nostrils. We'll hold here, observing the flow of air. Now we'll relax the pelvis. Relax the chest. Relax the shoulders. Relax the forehead. Namaste.